Hi, this is the FAIRPHONE 4 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. First, launch the the Gmail app and tap on the right upper corner to log out from Gmail account. In Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device, and after that we'll log out automatically from the Gmail application. So tap to manage accounts on this device, click to your account and tap to remove. Confirm your action by click to remove account. Are you sure? Tap to OK and enter one from your protect methods if you use them. So we could see that we just successfully logged out from the Google account. So let's go back to the Gmail app. We could see that we also successfully logged out from the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.